In this video, we are going to create middle piece or bearing cage of the bearing in the throttle body. This component holds the bearing in place, ensuring smooth rotation and reducing friction for efficient throttle operation. You can refer to the provided drawing, which includes detailed views and dimensions necessary for creating this model. You can download drawing file from the project's download link. Now let's start designing. Take new design file. Set your dimensions to mm. Invoke create sketch. Select front plane. Take circle tool and from origin draw a circle of diameter 36.5. Okay. Now again from origin another circle of diameter 31.5. Now from solid take extrude feature, select the profile. In direction change to symmetric and extrude it to distance 7. Measurement wall length. Okay. Now invoke create sketch, select front plane, invoke line tool and make it construction line. Now from origin draw a center line. Okay. Change construction line. Then from create take center point arc and from here you can draw an arc. Give dimension, radius is 3. From center to origin distance is 17. Okay, now we can close the sketch. Now from solid take revolve, select the profile and the axis, select the center line. Okay, we are going to pattern it. So from create take pattern, circular pattern. In object type select feature, from timeline select the revolve feature and you have to select this axis. Okay, quantity is 12. Okay. Okay, so we have completed designing the middle piece or the bearing cage. In next videos we'll continue with other components.